Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, Tommy. Where is my thing, baby? May hinahanap ako. Can you take my bread? I can't find what I'm looking for.
I gotta go to Walmart today, so I'll get more bread.
What are you gonna go to Walmart for? I can't find my thing. You find it?
What thing?
The tip part of this.
Should be on your piece of hooks.
No, the piece of this to put in the tripod. Yun, magluto lang si Tommy ng omelette niya. He's cooking his omelette. Na akong sa garden, tubig. Guys, good morning. Somebody's behind us. Tignan nyo yung asawa ko, guys. Oh. Look at my husband. Do you feel that sometimes, son, like you don't feel nothing in your nose, and then suddenly when you're like this, something is like fluffing? No, there is something fluffing in the nose.
Yeah, well.
And then you have to there's a and you have to look like this. What's inside my nose? Adoy, ginoo ko ang ano man dahil tukog mo nagahi. Punta kami sa Home Depot to get some soil because I'm going to add more garden sa side. I don't need any wood because I can do any like what I did from the other one, guys, that line. It works because I better spend yung money sa soil than woods because I can garden without woods. I can just put any small thing to line it up that the soil won't go out from the area. I really like this houses right here, right? Nice houses. You know what, hon? I just started. Why you always make fun of my garden, huh? It doesn't make you happy that everything is growing on.
Make me happy that you like doing it.
That it start already. Like I just started, hon. You cannot harvest anything. When I said yesterday harvest radish, you think you expect harvesting like a lot. I just
guys watch when weeds start growing in there, and it's gonna like be pulling the weeds, and then the next day they'll be all back again. She'll be like, I'm tired of this.
Yeah, right. Gardening doesn't make me tired.
You'll be like, all these weeds, I gotta keep pulling out these weeds, they kill the plants. I'm tired of this.
And I only say tired to you.
I can't put any more of that one down. It's not for 4 months.
Expensive, please, Tommy. That's expensive. Please, not now. We still have it. Ayan. So, let's go, guys. Pauwi na tayo. Pauwi. Hindi pa pala kami pauwi. Hindi to grocery, right?
No, we already cut stuff.
Cut pa. So, ito yung mga binibili namin, guys, para sa alaga namin. Look. Ito lahat. Mga pagkain nila. That's it?
Tell me.
Meron silang Arial malaki. They don't have the Arial. Hala.
What?
Then I remember that.
Zot.
They don't have Arial with Downy. They don't have it, huh?
Yeah, well, that's Ariel. Original scent. Original.
Original, same thing?
Yeah. You want original?
Yeah. Don't mix it with the food, please. So, let's go. Okay. Yun na nabili namin, guys. Bumili ako ng chicken. Ihuhul ko to mamaya, guys, kung ano yung nabili namin. Pauwi na kami. Pauwi na. Hindi ako makahinga, guys. We are done. And can you sing it, hon? I like.
Cannot. I'm an asshole. I'm an asshole.
Slow down, please. Since I was like teenager, I like this song.
Little bitty girl, my grandmother got me a cute little pearl.
Okay, kadawleyot, kadawleyot, kadawleyot.
Just ruined that song for all you people who used to love it.
You see that, right? Why I ruined it?
I don't know, something about that nasal accent you put on it.
Nasal.
Yeah, kind of yeah.
That's not what I sing it.
Kind of like Fran Drescher.
No, I don't say like Anne. I don't sing it like that.
You did. Play it back.
Kanawleyot, kanawleyot, kanawleyot. Annie, that's one of my favorite. Anne, oh my god, I don't like the way you're doing. Can you do it for me?
Now we get a banjo and do it on a knee. Yeah.
Anne, what are you doing? A horsey? You like a horsey? Well, that's a horsey. You're doing it. Because you don't have a thing to do the butt of the horse.
No.
You do like that.
No, just banjo playing.
Oh. Han, can you sing it? Han, can you just do it for me, Han? It's a Bisaya song.
I cannot do it for you.
And kadauli, kadauli. Kadauli, see it, kadauli.
Cannoli. That's an Italian pastry.
And kadauli.
Cannolis are good. Cannolis are good.
What are you doing? It's so good. What is that so good? Kadauli is so good. Kadauli, yon. Yon.
Yeehaw. Yeehaw. Sound like a donkey. Yeehaw. Yeehaw.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Kadauli, yon. Kadauli, yon. Kadauli, like that. Han. Honey. Can you sing, please? Honey, it's turn. Han, can you sing?
I cannot sing.
Can you just do it for me? It makes me happy, Han. What?
Cannolis are good.
So good.
Cannolis are good.
It's so good. Kadauli, iyon. Han, please.
Hey.
Please, Han.
Cannolis in the sun. Cannolis in the sun. They go bad real quick.
No, I'm not happy now.
Again? Jeez. It's only been 3 minutes. I'll do the background. Go ahead. You sing.
Kadauli. Han.
Do the background.
Han, it makes me no strength, Han. Can you just sing it for me, Han?
I don't even hear it anymore.
Cannoli. That's not